Add 500 grams of broken up breadcrumbs. To this, add 500 grams of dried mixed fruit. Add your mixed spices, 300 ml of full fat milk. Then add 300 ml of double cream. Give this all a really good mix so all the ingredients fuse together really well. Add 2 large beaten eggs. Give them a really good mix. Pour in 100 grams of melted butter. Add 140 grams of brown sugar. Pour into a greaseproof lined dish. I had so much mixture I put mine into 2. Sprinkle with some light brown sugar on top. This gives the bread pudding a lovely crispy topping. Bake at 190 degrees Celsius for approximately 60 minutes. I can tell you this was absolutely delicious. Enjoy!